So guys, there are 50 image prompts for talking food and talking vegetable. Before going into that, let's learn how to create these prompts. So you can create your own unique prompts. So for that you need to go to Chatgpt and go to explore GPTs. Here type object talk. Simply select the first one, start chat. Now this is the model in which you are going to create your own object talking videos and images. Simply if you want to talk like I want potato, simply write potato and press enter. It will generate text to image. Same prompts like I show you in a same prompts like here. So copy the first prompt, go to Gemini, select nano banana and paste the prompt here. It will generate the image and after that we will transfer that image into our dialog. Generated the image but it's in landscape. We want it into 9:16. So simply paste the prompt again and write aspect ratio 9:16 and it will convert it into 9:16. Now it generated into a 9:16. Go back. Now you can see here it created more videos, text to image prompts and video prompts like carrot, onion, garlic, sweet potato. If you want to create more, simply copy the next command, back to Gemini, paste the command and write aspect ratio 9:16 and press enter. Download this image that we created earlier. Created the second image, download it, head back to Chatgpt, copy the next one, head back Gemini, paste it, same this aspect ratio 9:16 and just like that create all the images. So guys, here they are. There are 5 pictures that the ChatGPT gave us the prompts. If you want more, like I want for fruits, simply write for fruits, press enter. It will now generate for fruits. Fruit bowl and it's 10-second script. Banana, just like that. Okay, let's transfer these images into a video. Simply copy the first prompt and let's go to the Grokk. In Grokk, drag and drop the first image and paste the command and hit generate. It will create a video.
I can become fries, mash, chips, vodka. I'm versatile, but at least admit this is personal. I see that knife. Don't pretend you're just chopping.
Okay, this is the first video. Now one by one create all the videos in Grokk. So friend, there are our 5 videos that we created to CapCut, and import all 5 videos so we can make a long video. Open them, simply drag them to timeline. There is a logo of a Gemini, so all we need to do is to increase the scale to 110. Simply drag it little bit down. Now there is a no logo, so last time check it.
They call me sweet, but I'm complex. Fiber, vitamin A, slow carbs. I caramelize like a legend. Different lane, same greatness. You think I make you cry? Please. I release sulfur compounds when cut. It's science. I'm reacting to trauma. Crush me, mince me, roast me. I still dominate the flavor. One clove and I run the whole dish. Respect the bulb. I see that knife. Don't pretend you're just chopping veggies. I can become fries, mashed chips, vodka. I'm versatile. But at least admit this is personal. Oh, now it's just a quick slice? I bring beta carotene, vision support, crunch. And this is how I repay you evenly.
It's good. Now if you want, you can create some captions. So go to caption menu and generate. It will generate all the captions. Here are the captions. If you want, you can change the theme, like this one. Put it a little bit down so you can see the video. Then hit export. Name it talking vegetables. Set the frame rate to 60 and export it. Our video is ready. So guys, I hope you learned something new. I'll also give you these prompts. There are 50 viral AI prompts. The link will be in the description. And I also taught you how you can make your own talking objects. So subscribe my channel for the next video, and I'll teach you a more amazing viral scripts and will make some more viral videos. Thank you so much for watching.